Hello guys and welcome to today's buy sell notification video. New York session is about to open in like a few minutes, and I have to do the buy sell notification video. I didn't do it for 2 days now. That is actually crazy, but today I'm going to explain every single thing about my buys, what I'm looking for in the market right now, and what is my thought process on the general buys of today. So without further ado, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach our goal, which is 240 legends before the end of June. And I know you guys, you can do that, so please hit that subscribe button, bro. That will help me a lot. That will mean the world to me. Please hit it, and let's get started in today's video. So for me to even look for a trade today is to actually see a key level got hit. So I will not anticipate in anything if I don't see any of my key levels got hit. And usually my key levels are liquidity, which is the highs or the lows, or the session highs or the session lows. So if we start with GBP GPY, I actually today have a overall bullish bias. You may ask why. Well, the daily time frame is bullish. We shifted the structure from bearish to bullish in this couple of days, and we were actually in general uptrend. We made the higher lows, the higher highs, the higher lows, and we just broke the structure on the daily time frame to make the new higher highs. So that will make a sense if we turn bullish right now. So then if we scroll down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see in front of you, this is a 4-hour fair value gap. On the 4-hour, we have a bullish 4-hour fair value gap and a shifted structure to bullish. We have a market structure shift right here, indicates that the 4-hour is now in a bullish structure. Sure, we have a little retracement, but that is just the higher low, because on the 4-hour we also move in an uptrend, and uptrend have higher highs and the higher lows. So we now are just creating the higher low. And for me, what I'm looking for to actually find my setup and take a trade is that if we go on to the hourly time frame, you can see that those are the Asian session lows that got created on Asian session, and those are the Asian session highs. And for me to even take a trade today, I would like to see price on at the start of New York session. I would like to see price come down, seek out the liquidity below the London session lows and the Asian session lows, and then make a breakout structure on the 15-minute time frame, and then I'll wait or look for more continuation confluences to look for longs, which are the fair value gaps, order blocks, like equilibrium, any of my other continuation confluence to the upside. That will not matter, but for now, that is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity of these Asian session lows, or even those London session lows, and then we continue moving to the upside. And also there's something else that indicates the price should move higher, which is this bullish SMT. We have an SMT with USD GPY and GBP GPY. We have a bullish SMT. We are in a bullish uptrend on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and also on the hourly time frame. But now what I'm looking for is a sweep of liquidity and then continuation confluences on the lower time frames. If that doesn't happen, I will not anticipate in anything on GBP GPY. And also we also have a lot of buy side liquidity lying above us, which are those 1-hour highs, those hour highs, and those 4-hour highs as well. And also on the lower side, we only have these lows, which are the Asian session lows. So if that will be cool if we go and sweep down those Asian session lows before we make the move up and continue potentially make the move to the upside. And that is about GBP GPY. We're moving on to USD GPY. We kind of have the same exact situation right here, because if we go into the daily time frame now, we actually can see that the daily time frame just sweep up the liquidity of these lows, of these daily lows. We just took out these daily lows, and yesterday we actually the daily candle of yesterday just closed above the recent structure, which indicates us that the bullish that the daily time frame is now turned into a bullish structure. So with that means the daily time frame is now actually bullish. And with that, if we go into the 4-hour time frame, that is also the same exact thing. We have a breakout structure right here, we have a market structure shift right here, or a change of character. Like, you can name it whatever you want. That does not indicate anything. It's literally just in names at the end of the day. But then we have these 4-hour lows, we have these 4-hour lows, these London session lows, and also these those London session lows, and also these Asian session lows. And for me to even take a trade on this, I would like price to return null, take out those sell side liquidities or the session liquidities, and then potentially even fill up this 4-hour fair value gap, because we have a 4-hour fair value gap right here, whether we like just touch it a little bit or even go into deeper. So I would like to seek out those liquidities and then make a continuation confluences of the lower time frames, and then I will be able, or I will be like looking to take longs and potentially target out those Asian session highs, or even like those 4-hour highs, or even like for those 4-hour highs. It doesn't matter, it just depends on the price action. So with that, we also have these hourly highs and these hourly highs as well. So that the only resting liquidity below us is, which is this low and these London session lows. That is it. So what I'm currently looking for, as I told you, I'm waiting for it like a sweep down to these London session lows, or down to these Asian session lows. And with that, I will be looking to take a longs off of that, because we have equal highs right here, or even like triple highs right here, not equal highs. We have equal highs, and we also have bunch of buy side liquidity needs to be taken out, and that is it. That is literally it. And about the next pair, I'm currently like still waiting, and I'm still refining. So that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Peace out, boys.